Hello, it's Jackie Green from GA Interior Solutions, where we are helping build a stronger design community through professional training and educational resources. Today I have a quick tutorial on placing a section in SketchUp. Sections in SketchUp have improved greatly, and sections can be used to show different views of your model. They can also help when modeling in a tight space. To begin, you will want to make sure you have your section tools available in the toolbar. First, right-click on your toolbar and then select Section. The section tools have four options. You will use the first button, called Section Plane, to place your section. As I move my cursor around the house, you will see that the section lights up as it attaches to different angles in the roof. I want to create a floor section. If I move my cursor to the top of the house, select my up arrow on my keyboard, then click my left mouse button, a pop-up will appear. I will name this section Floor Plan, and I will keep it as number 1, and then click OK. My section is now placed. Now I can use the Move command to move the section where I want it to cut through my house. I simply select the section, click the M on my keyboard or the Move icon in the toolbar, select the section again, and start moving down until I show the floor plan. Once I have it in the location, I just left-click and it is placed. To turn off the section indicator, I would select the button next to the section plane called Display Section Button. Now I can set a scene in my model to represent the floor plan. The next two buttons are Display Section Cut and Display Section Fill. To turn off and on the section cut, select the Section Cut button. When it is blue, it is on. Click it again and it turns off. Since SketchUp geometry is not solid, we can use the Fill button to fill in the walls. If I unclick it, you will see that my walls are hollow. If I re-click it, it is now filled in. Sections can be useful when displaying your model as well as creating it. We cover sections in more detail in our SketchUp for Beginners online course. To check out the SketchUp for Beginners course and our free SketchUp resources, visit our website at www.gainteriorsolutions.com/SketchUp. And as always, feel free to subscribe to our channel and share it with others.